Hey guys, on today's video we're going to be unboxing these sunglasses. So let's get started. Let's open up the box. It came pretty fast. The link will be provided in the description of this video because it was bought from Amazon. So here they are. Let's take them out. They're supposed to have lifetime warranty in terms of breakage. They do come with this little bag. So let's put that on the side. Plus this right here, which is actually to test out if something's polarized or not. So here are the sunglasses. They're extremely light, actually. And the selling point of these polarized sunglasses would be this part. It's just different, so it won't break. Plus the screws shouldn't just come off like other sunglasses do. I do gotta say, they are extremely light. Alright, so the test for the polarization is this. You're supposed to place this on top, but getting this on camera is really hard. But right now you guys can actually read that, and without that, you can't. Anyways, it's kind of hard to get that on camera. What I do to test out if something's polarized, I take another set of sunglasses. So these are polarized sunglasses. So what you gotta do is take one pair of sunglasses, put it on top. You should be able to see right through, but as soon as you do this, you go to the side like so, it should get really, really dark. So there should be a huge difference between placing your sunglasses like this and like this. But again, to test this out, you would need two pairs of sunglasses that are polarized. If one of them is not polarized, then this will not work. It will look the exact same thing if you place it like this or like this. Once you look through it, it should be the same thing. But if it's polarized this way, you should be able to look through it. And this way, it's gonna get so dark that you might not be able to see through. Or you might be able to see through, but it should be very dark. Anyways, I can't really say much about these sunglasses except for the fact that they're extremely light. And I do want to check out if anything ever happens here, because this is the selling point about these type of sunglasses from this brand. And I am curious as well as how they keep their warranty, because I did initially contact them to see how they keep their warranty, and it seems like they actually refund or they send you another pair, a replacement. But anyways, there will be a review coming up later on. For now, this is just a quick glance at this. Again, it's all plastic all the way around. The only part that seems like it's metal, it's this thing right here, plus obviously the screws. You do have branding on the lens itself, on the side, and also at the other side as well. But anyways, as far as this video goes, we're all done. If you guys have any comments, questions, you guys can write down here in comments area. Don't forget to subscribe and like. Thank you.